For the occasion, bitch, I'm Melly Mel. It's going down tonight. I hit your Sully South. I'm at the combination Pizza Hut and Taco Bell. Meet me on Lafayette by Clientele.
Supreme being, nigga, thought he was seeing things. Moment that I walked in, bunch of fly niggas, so you know we snuck the hawk in. Swing with the talking. Any beef I ever had, I had to stick a fork in. Put his soul up for grabs like an auction. 10 bands, 20 bands, we already lost him. Nail in the coffin. He say he ready for war. Let's just pray he ready for what that shit'll cost. Cause me, I got a couple hood coupons. My door's waiting just for me to tell him what to chew on, nigga.